This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can reset the aircraft or drones flying preferences on this device. So in the beginning, launch the FIMI Mini app and enter device or open the camera view. Here, launch settings by tapping at the gear icon to your top right, then select the very first category, that is, well, the drone's preferences themselves. Scroll this page all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom of this page you'll find the Reset Drone Parameters button. So press it, confirm, and the deed is done. You have successfully restored default drones preferences and settings here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.